Alright, I'm going to show you how to do a very important step in order to be able to send estimates and invoices to clients not only via email but also via text message. So you want to go to Settings when you're in your Thrive account and then hit Auto Client Messages under Other Settings and then hit Payments right next to Booking. And then you want to make sure that this little box under Invoices and under Estimates is checked. So make sure it's checked. If it is not checked, you want to make sure that this is showing green as checked, and your customers will be able to receive text message notifications when you send out an estimate or an invoice. And as soon as you hit check, hit save, and you're done.